Hello kids, Jatin here. Today I will teach you a lotus. It is called a nature drawing. I will teach you a lotus with the help of lines and shapes. Now I am going to make it one center, one point, straight point at the center one, exactly towards downside, one standing line, one more standing line, one slipping line, one slipping line. This is my stem of the lotus. Now at the center, same point, you can see the point from this point to this point. Here is also one point, here also one point. From this point I am going to make it one curve which is going down and joining to the first point of the stem. Same thing here, from the same point to the third point, making a curve and joint it up to downside. Now from this point to this point should be equally. You have to mark it with your scale. If you are fine with your scale, you can mark it with your scale. If you are fine with your hand, you can mark it simply like that also. I am making two dot equal, which is going upside slanting, again which is going upside slanting. Both should be gone on a same point. Again curve to the first point, again curve to the first point. This is my center petal, this is my side petals. Now one slanting line, again one dot here, again one dot here, it should be equal, and then again one slanting line going towards upside, one slanting line going towards upside, and again one curve touching to the same point, again curve touching to the same point. It should be not a deep curve, it should be a normal curve. Now one slanting line, one dot here, one dot here. From this point one slanting line going towards downside, one slanting line going towards downside, and one curve line from this point and this point going towards inside, going towards inside, one curve line going towards inside, one curve line going towards inside. This is the old petals, these are the new petals, and this is the center bird. Now my lotus is ready, half lotus is ready. Now one slanting line going towards upside and again slanting line going towards downside. This is my back petals, जो वो मुझे सिर्फ हाफ दिखेगी. Again one slanting line going upside, again down, again upside, again down, again upside, again down. These are my back petals. Now one slipping line going towards next point to the page, one slipping line going towards the front side, and one curve at the slipping line, one more curve slipping line, one more curve at the slipping line, at one more curve at the slipping line. These two curves are facing towards this direction. These two curves are facing towards this direction. Now slipping line, and one big curve joining the both sides. One slipping line, one more slipping line, and one curve line. These are the floating leaf. Now few veins inside, slanting line, slanting line, slanting line, slanting line, slanting line, slanting line. Again one slanting line going towards upside, upside, upside. Again downside, downside, downside. This is my 2 leaf, 1 stem, few petals. Now one curve touching to the lower petals. Same thing here, one curve coming towards downside and few curves as a water lines. Here our lotus is ready. Kids, you can do your beautiful colors like pink, yellow, red, whatever you like it. Here your lotus is ready. You can make it. Again, it is also used for project too. Like if a teacher is telling you draw a national flower, you can make it easily by using our steps. Please kids, if you like it, share it and subscribe it. Education plus art.